So we'll start with the next topic, that is circle. Circle we all have studied from our earlier classes. Circle is a round figure, as we can see in this diagram also, or we can take this as an example. We can make it using this. I have made this circle using this thing. Okay, we use how do we make a circle? We use a compass. Okay, that in that compass we take the center and then we draw the circle. We should have the radius for the circle. Radius, center, we'll study all of these here in this topic. Okay, so now talking about the definition of circle. Circle is a simple closed curve and it is not considered as polygon. As you all know that polygon usually have straight lines. We have all seen that before in the previous class. So now we are studying about the circle. It is the closed curve. So all the points in the circle are, first of all, we should know the center of the circle. Center is the midpoint of the circle. When we draw a circle, we should know the midpoint of the circle, that is the center. This is the center of the circle. Okay, when we come to the next topic, that is the radius of the circle. So we'll take this figure as an example. Here we can see center, midpoint of this figure is the center of the circle. Midpoint of this figure is known as the center of the circle. Now coming to radius of the circle. When we are talking about radius, I'll show you with this figure. See, this is a circle. I think this is not correctly made. So this is a circle, right? This is the center of the circle. The midpoint of the circle is the center. So I will mark it as center of the circle, right? So when we have seen, if there is a line joining the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle, this line which joins the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle is known as radius. It is known as radius of the circle. Okay, line joining the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle is radius of the circle. When we see a line which joins the boundary of the circle and passes through the center of the circle, it is known as the diameter of the circle. Okay, so according to the figure, we can see that diameter is twice of radius. Okay, so we have studied the radius of the circle, diameter of the circle. Diameter is a line which passes through the center and joins the boundary of the circle from 2 points. Okay, one is this and one is this. So we can name it as PQ is the diameter of the circle, OQ is the radius of the circle. Okay, now the boundary of the circle is known as circumference. Okay, so this is known as circumference. This boundary of the circle is known as circumference. Next point over here is chord. Okay, so we'll take another figure for this chord.